Where is virtualenvwrapper.sh after pip install? I'm trying to set up virtualenvwrapper on OS X, and all the instructions and tutorials I've found tell me to add a source command to profile, pointing towards virtualenvwrapper.sh. I've checked all the Python and site packages directories, and I can't find any virtualenvwrapper.sh. Is this something I need to download separately? Is pip not installing correctly? This is the contents of. As you can see, no virtualenvwrapper.sh. Where is it?
You can use the find command to search for a file. Find, name virtualenvwrapper.sh. This will search all directories from the root for the file. On Ubuntu 12.04 LTS, installing through pip, it is installed to .sh. On Ubuntu 17.04, installing through pip as a normal user, it is installed to ~local/bin/virtualenvwrapper.sh.
Did you already try this?
The exact path where virtualenvwrapper.sh is stored / located varies from OS to OS. Even within same OS, it varies from version to version. So we need a generic solution that works for all OS versions. Easiest way I have found to find its path is do. This will prompt a confirmation. Say no. But first line of confirmation shows the path of virtualenvwrapper.sh. Prompt gives a list of files it will delete if you say yes. First entry in this list contains path to virtualenvwrapper.sh in your machine.
I just reinstalled it with pip. And this time I put it in /user/local/bin.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.